Welcome to Dryer Vent Wizard of Coastal Carolina, where we keep families and homes safe, one dryer vent cleaning at a time. Is your dryer hot to touch, displaying error codes, emitting burning smells, or have a buildup of excess pet hair or lint? With our top-notch technology, we ensure that every cleaning provides a solution while increasing efficiency, preventing fires, and saving your precious time. Our wizards are not just any technicians. They're professionally trained, insured, and vetted. They're top-tier professionals in the industry, leaving you without worries. Choosing Dryer Vent Wizard of Coastal Carolina is choosing peace of mind. Improve your home safety today and join the ranks of other happy homeowners. Visit us at DryerVentWizard.com or call 910-208-4543. Your family deserves the best. Make the decision to choose Dryer Vent Wizard of Coastal Carolina, where we get the lint out and get the job done right.